Winter's here, the snow is falling, not a cry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moody. Welcome to another episode of the series Lipsticks Are Meant for Brown Skin. In today's video, I'm not going to be sharing about nude lipsticks. I'm going to be sharing about dark dip lipsticks, which are going to look amazing on warm brown skin tone. Now for reference, I always wear the shade MAC NC42. I have always owned the same shade, and I also have the same foundation on my face today as well. I have done a very minimal no makeup look just because I want to draw all the attention towards my lip, not on my base makeup or eye makeup. I am on 39th floor and you might be hearing a lot of police noise because in Malaysia, police keeps coming back and forth in every 30 minutes. I don't know why, but they keep strolling over. I think it's because of the safety. So you will hear a lot of police gadi noise. I don't know how to reduce this noise of police car. So please pardon me for that. And without further ado, let's jump into the main segment. The very first shade is this matte retro matte lipstick in the shade Mixed Media. First of all, I love this formula. This is one of the bestest formula till date available in market. It's a bullet lipstick. If you love their liquid lipstick, that's a different story. But being a bullet girly currently, I love this lipstick and how. It has a little bit of wine, purplish finish, and it looks amazing, amazing. Like if you're wearing at night on a dinner with some shimmery dress, it's gonna look so bomb. You don't even need to put any type of makeup as well. Like if you don't feel like wearing makeup, it's one of the best shade for brown skin. And if you have fair skin, of course you can use it, but it is a little too dark, so it will give a little bit of vampire effect on very fair skin tone. Next is this Bellora Paris Deepest HD Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 06 Dancing Cranberries. It falls in the perfect red shade category for brown skin. If you have brown skin, you should definitely invest in it. It is a matte lipstick, but it will fade away if you are eating something. I ordered it in Malaysia the other day and I went out and of course I had food and it just faded away in minutes. It sets into this beautiful natural matte finish, which I personally really like. I don't like those powdery matte finish which stays on top of your lips for the longest time, which I understand it is very long lasting, but I don't mind reapplying my lipstick. Being a makeup lover, I love reapplying my lipstick and I have no problem with that. I think you should reapply your lipstick instead of having those very dry feeling on your lips. I do prefer those in some days, but not on a regular basis and not practically when I already know that I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna stay outside for a very long time, and it's very painful to have that feeling all throughout the day. It's literally looks like a marker pen, so it's very easy to carry as well. I don't mind carrying 3 or 4 lipsticks in my bag. It will fit in clutches or wallets, so definitely I love this lipstick and I highly recommend you this particular shade. Definitely values the penny that you spent on it because of the shade. It's a perfect shade once again for brown warm skin tone, and also it's actually appropriate for fair skin tone as well because it will set into this pink red on fair skin if you have very pale lips. Next I have MAC liquid lipstick in the shade High Drama, and this contains high drama, you guys. This is one of my favorite shade, and this is I think the only shade that I have repurchased once because I have finished one bottle already, so that says a lot. It's amazing. It's one of the best shade out there for brown skin. I have seen using this color on so many brown influencers. I cannot even tell you. I went through their comment section and someone asking which color are you wearing, and she was like High Drama from MAC. So this is the best seller for a reason, especially if you are an Indian. Of course, most of the Indians do have dark, rich, warm brown skin. And this color is definitely made for us. Very deep purple shade. There is a little bit of brown mixed in it, which makes it a very unique shade, especially for brown warm skin tone. It's smudge proof, budge proof, if I may say kiss proof as well. This formula does fade away after 7 to 8 hours, which is a long time. Trust me, if you are outside, you don't stay outside more than 8 hours anyway. But for a very few days, if you are staying outside for a very long time, it does leave a very beautiful tint as well because this color is very deep. It does not completely fade away. If you don't like reapplying lipstick, this shade and this formula indeed definitely made for you. If you wear lip balm underneath this lipstick, it will not be a smudge proof lipstick anymore. You can moisturize your lips and then you can remove the excess lip balm, but after a certain amount of time your lip will still feel dry. The lip balm will not moisturize your lip for the longest time, even if you're wearing the best lip balm out there in market, like the Laneige one. Even that cannot help. It will feel a little dry. I cannot stop talking about this shade. Guys, Malaysia's weather is not it. Sometimes it's raining. Right now it's sunny AF. It's literally like a guy's mood. Sometimes they will treat you like a princess. Sometimes they will treat you like shit. Next, I have My Glam's Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Fairy fiery. I don't know. Be it fair, medium or dark skin tone, everyone can wear it. On dark, deep skin tone, it will look a beautiful smoky nude. If you are slightly brown, warm like I am, it will give you that mauve smoky look you can see in real time. This is once again a very long stay matte lipstick. It doesn't dry out the lips like the other formulas do from the same brand. Like the liquid lipstick of theirs, which they sells for like 99 rupees or 199 rupees, that shade is so bad. Like I tried some of their shades and I don't like the formula at all, even though they have a lot of shade varieties. But what's the point? This formula is one of the best formula My Glam has came out with. It's very easy to apply and it's very thin actually, which makes this very easy to apply even if you don't use lip liner on a daily basis. You cannot feel this lipstick on your lips. Like it's very lightweight lipstick. That's what I like about a lipstick, and it does not feel like I have applied something, I cannot touch my lips. I don't think I need to worry about any of those things because I can do whatever I want and it does not become very smudgy or like very icky. You know, it looks very bad when you are smudging your lips and lipstick just cracks immediately. That's not the case thankfully with this lipstick. It's not affordable, but it's mid-budget lipstick. Definitely grab this if you have brown skin and if you don't want a very intimidating color like High Drama, because yeah, High Drama and mixed media can be a little too intimidating for the beginner. I know it's the time of nude lip, but if you're starting to get into dark lipstick, I think this will be a really good start. Next, I'm wearing the shade Brown Espresso. It's a perfect brown for brown skin. This is also one of the best formulation Lakme has ever came up with, and this is the Lakme Forever Matte Lipstick. Stays on for the longest time on your lips without cracking, and also it feels very lightweight, very airy on lips. I love the feel of it. It's very affordable. Particularly I wear this shade especially on those days where I'm not putting on makeup. Bit of tint to go and I wear this shade and it looks amazing. It's literally a water form of lipsticks that sets into this beautiful matte finish. If you are looking for a perfect brown shade, I think your search will end right here. Next I have this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 85 Protector. Applicator toot gaya hai. Of course I had to do it, and it happened in Malaysia. Of course I'm in a different country. Of course I have to meet with some certain accidents. Otherwise it's not me, it's not my luck, you know. I think everyone has used some colors from the Superstay, but this color in particular, once again, such a beautiful warm brown shade, one of my favorite shade of all times. I love the longevity of this lipstick. If I'm having a very hectic day where I don't think I will be eating outside or will have something outside and I don't want to bother myself with reapplying lipstick over and over again, I definitely choose this particular color because this just works. It definitely deserves one space in your vanity. Highly recommended this formula if you don't like reapplying lipstick, and highly recommended this shade if you have warm brown skin. These are the shades that I had for you guys in today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me swatching all of these lipsticks on my lips, and I hope you got a little bit of idea how it will look on you as well. I will put all the necessary links in the description box below. There will be a lot of direct links. You can just tap on the link and it will be redirected to the product. Some of them are affiliated, some of them are non-affiliated. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, and if my face looks a little dull sometimes and very shiny sometimes, it's just because of the sunlight, because I don't have my complete setup over here because Malaysia has a different type of connectivity and I cannot connect all of my equipment, so of course I did not carry, but I'm just shooting in natural light, and I think it was best for me to show all these colors on natural light so that you can understand how it will look. I don't think anyone is carrying a ring light with them, so of course natural light was the best option. That's what I thought at least. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Please like this video, comment down if you want me to make any specific video on nude lipsticks or red lipsticks or brown lipsticks, because I'm up for it. I will be able to make more videos for you guys from India after 12 days. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Please support me. Let's grow the family together. Love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Buy more lipsticks. Not a lot, but very few, doesn't hurt anyone. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. See, the light changed. Why Malaysian weather is so unpredictable?
As we drive for miles to that little town called home,